In today's video, we will make fried masala idli with leftover idli. This is one of my favorite snack recipe any day if I have leftover idli at home. I'm sure you love this recipe. Hello and welcome to MANO Cooks, and let's get started. For this, I'm taking 5 idli right now. If you do not have leftover idli, you can make fresh idli and allow them to cool down completely, and then you can start making this. So now cut each idli into 1-inch cubes as shown and keep them ready. Heat oil in a pan to deep fry the idli. Once oil is nice and hot, let's drop the idli in oil in batches and deep fry them until crisp and golden. Idli should be fried and crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. If you want, you can also shallow fry the idli instead of deep frying. Repeat with all the idli and take them out in a plate and keep it aside. Now let's heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons oil to that and heat it on medium flame. Once oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds to that. While they crackle, we'll add half teaspoon jeera to that. Now to this, let's add few broken cashew nut followed by few curry leaves. Allow everything to cook for a minute in oil, after which let's add 1/4 cup chopped onion to this. Let's saute onion until it changes to pink. Onion should be cooked but crunchy, so do not brown them. Add turmeric powder. Now along with this, add finely chopped tomato. This is 1/4 cup tomato here. Let's saute everything for a minute. Once tomato changes color, reduce the flame to medium-low and add 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder. Quickly mix it and remember not to burn the masala. Now to this, let's add fried idli. After that, add slit green chilies to this. I'm adding 6 green chilli here. You can adjust according to your spice level. Sprinkle some garam masala on top and sprinkle some salt. Now let's quickly mix everything so that the masala is well coated on the idli pieces. Once masala is tossed well on the idli, let's add generous sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves and add a dash of lime juice to this. Mix until well combined. Turn off the flame and serve it hot. This is an ultimate snack with leftover idli, which you should definitely give it a try sometime. Along with this, click on the video on the screen to watch the most loved tava masala idli recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe with me. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the recipe and also subscribe and click on the bell button to watch my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.